If you're looking for a fitness program that focuses on strength, mobility, and joint health, you may have heard of P-Volve. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another trendy workout program. The surprising truth is that P-Volve combines low-impact resistance training with functional movements designed to improve strength, flexibility, and posture over time. P-Volve workouts are designed for all fitness levels, using resistance bands, gliders, and bodyweight exercises to target specific muscles without putting stress on your joints. The app offers guided workouts that range from 15 minutes to over an hour, making it easy to fit into busy schedules. One unique aspect of P-Volve is its focus on functional strength rather than just aesthetics. Many users report improved posture, better mobility, and reduced pain in areas like the back, shoulders, and hips after consistent training. The workouts are designed to activate muscles in ways that mimic everyday movements, which can be especially helpful for people with desk jobs or limited mobility. The app also includes structured programs and challenges so you can track progress over time. In addition, P-Volve provides detailed instructions and video demonstrations, making it accessible for beginners while still challenging for advanced users. There are a few considerations. P-Volve requires a subscription, and some exercises may require additional equipment like gliders or resistance bands. However, most of these tools are inexpensive and can be used for multiple workouts. Results are gradual, so consistency is key, and it may not be ideal if you're looking for high-intensity cardio or quick weight loss. In conclusion, P-Volve is a thoughtful and effective program for building functional strength, improving mobility, and maintaining joint health. It's ideal for anyone who wants a low-impact, full-body workout that focuses on long-term results rather than quick fixes. If this review helped you understand P-Volve, subscribe for more honest fitness reviews and tips to improve your health and strength.